Right now it is 33 degrees. It is a minute past 1:45. So it snowed a little bit last night, but not much, of course. That was just a little tasting of what's to come, I guess. But that was nothing. This is just the appetizer. But we're gonna get a lot more snow. It's flurrying. It was flurrying throughout the day, though, like nothing really. But the real snow is going to start up tomorrow. So tomorrow around 4 o'clock is when we are expecting it to start. So that will, of course, continue on till just past midnight when it changes over to rain. And of course, during that changeover to rain, there will be some ice mixing in. So currently, we have a winter storm watch in effect. 4 to 8 inches of snow is expected. Could we get a foot? Maybe. Anything above that? Nuh-uh. Well, we are expecting ice, like I just said. We're expecting around 1/10 to a quarter of an inch of ice. So, yeah, we seem to be in that bullseye of expecting the most amount of ice that is possible out of the storm. And farther north, they could expect around maybe even 2 feet of snow, perhaps 3. But that's just what it is like right now. So of course, I'll see you tomorrow, and we'll see how the storm is. Right now the temperature is 33 degrees. It is the next day. It is just past 4 o'clock. And yesterday, as I said, it was going to start snowing at around 4. It is now 4. Now I can tell you that it's likely going to start snowing in about 4 hours from now, which is 8 o'clock. So it got pushed back a little bit, and the snow changing over to rain has also been pushed back. Now it seems like about by 2 a.m. the snow will have changed over to rain. So we are expecting a slightly different amount of snow, it seems. So currently there is a winter storm warning in effect. It's going to be in effect until 6 p.m. tomorrow. So now we are expecting the latest 4 to 7 inches of snow, ice accumulations of 1/10 to locally 4/10 of an inch of ice. So there is ice expected in the forecast. That doesn't seem to change. The snow amounts might have went down just a little bit, but so it seems a little less likely now that we can get a foot. Places up north have a higher chance of getting a foot of snow. So, yeah. So the temperature tomorrow is going to get up to 40 degrees about. At around 6 a.m. it's going to get up to 40. So then it's going to stay in the 40s for quite a while, and then it's going to drop from the 40s around noon tomorrow. And then as that happens, there will be freezing. The water on the ground will freeze. So there will be black ice, of course, tomorrow around noon. And of course, with some ice falling, throughout that time. And of course, that there'll be some ice falling out of the sky, So with the black ice, that's going to be an issue since the water's going to freeze. It's already on the ground. So this storm is still going to be a mess even for us. Now, it's not going to be as bad in the city. And the winds are going to be increasing a lot. Tomorrow afternoon is when the winds are going to pick up. So, and with that, the temperature is going to go down a lot. So it seems that tomorrow night it's going to be 3 degrees. So, yeah. So yeah, I'll just see you tomorrow, and we'll see how it's going, because it looks like by the time the snow's going to start, it's going to be like dark out, and you're not going to be able to see too much. But I will update. I'll see you tomorrow morning, and then we'll see how it's looking. See ya tomorrow. Right now the temperature is 34 degrees. It is now about 9:15 in the morning. We have more snow, and we also had some rain and ice mixing in. Currently it is raining ice. So now we'll probably continue for a few hours with some rain later on. And then the temperature's going down a lot with the wind increasing as well. Now we have a winter weather advisory in effect until 11 a.m. this morning. We have a wind chill advisory in effect from 1 a.m. tomorrow until 1 p.m. So tomorrow. So ice accumulations up to 1/10 of an inch still, and wind chill values as low as 15 below zero are expected tonight into Monday. So yeah, you're gonna want to really bundle up as you go out anytime during today and tomorrow, since it's going to be quite cold. Frostbite in as little as 30 minutes during this really low wind, during the really low wind chill values of any unexposed skins. If any skin's exposed, that can happen in as little as 30 minutes frostbite. So that means keep covered everything. So let's see how the snow is now, since now we have gotten it. Since you last saw me last night, it was right before it started. So right now the snow is not fluffy because we have ice mixed in, I guess. So now it's more like a harder ice snow, as you see. It's harder with some ice in it. So yeah, it's not that nice fluffy one. If you want fluffy snow, that's not it. Not good for snowmen. See you later at noon to wrap up this weather report during this snowstorm. We didn't get as much snow as anticipated. It looks like about 3 inches, I think, just looking at it. So not that much as it was. The forecast did change, like last night it went down a little, the amount. So, well, anyway, I'll see you around noon. So to wrap up this report, and yeah, see you then. Right now the temperature is 33 degrees with a light freezing drizzle. That is going to end in a few minutes, but yeah, so this storm has wrapped up basically. As the storm moves out, the winds are going to pick up. So, and I just saw a few flurries too with the little bit of ice. So yeah. So the winter weather advisory has ended, and we have a wind chill advisory, like I said, just not too long ago, from 1 in the morning till 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So wind chill values will be in the negative single digits, so be dressed warm. Wind chill values as low as 15 below zero are expected. So wind chills actually can be as low as the single digits, and it could go into the teens. Negative single digits and negative teens, that is. So just accordingly. Well, that has been your exclusive winter storm Helena coverage. I haven't mentioned the storm name yet. Yeah, but I did now. So well, so that has been Billy to What I Got. That has been your coverage, and now I will see you Friday for your 7-day forecast.